Abraham, what we studied before
Yes,
last lecture?
we started. We started on introduction.
Yes, we I gave you the force set, natural set, wall set, rational, irrational, and the real set, and we
Yeah,
discussed about the definition of function and what is
yeah.
a function. You have any idea? Can you give the example?
Yeah. The example of function.
You can take any two set, okay, using the Venn diagram. Okay, otherwise you can say the definition. What is the meaning of the function?
Okay. Let's say if we take it's a let's say if we take the set of what of numbers
Hmm.
from 1 to 10,
Okay,
then yeah, that the first, let's say it is the set A, and the set B has 1 to 1 up to 5.
okay,
Uh, so set A will be the what?
okay, okay. Listen.
Set A.
If some, okay, take a 1 minute. If someone asks, give the definition of the function and the what is a function, you just tell them you have a two set A and B whose name they both are non-empty, and the every element of set A is related with B, and that time B have a unique element. Such type of relation is known as a function. In short, every element of set A is related with the unique element of set B. Such a criteria which is known as the function. Is it definition of the function?
Yes.
Okay. This is a definition and this is an example. What is a function? The every element of set A is related with the unique element of set B. Such a relation is known as a function. And you give the example like this. Okay. In set
Yeah.
B have a unique element, unique image in A. So such a relation is known as a function. Here,
Function.
this
Yeah.
codomain and domain. Look at the first set is known as a domain, and the second set is known as a codomain.
Domain.
So one have a two
Yeah.
image. So one have a image of one is A and image of three is A. It's not possible in function. You you remember, look at the you have a such type of domain set A, B, C are the name of the student. Okay,
Yes.
and the this codomain they are studying. Okay, so the
Yeah.
A person who have an whose name is starting with A, and that is the only one. It is possible there he is studying in he yes he is studying in two standard one and three also. It's not possible. So such type of relation not a function. Every time have a unique image. That is possible. Such a relation is known as a function, otherwise not. Right? It was we discussing in the last lecture. And there is some
Yeah.
example. Okay. I think this is you can check it is completed or not.
It's completed.
Okay. So
Domain. No. No.
okay. One sec. This is a I putting arrow somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay. This is a function or not.
Mm, that is that's not function
Not function. Why is it not a function?
because
Hmm.
this no, it's a function. Yeah, it's a function because
It
this
is not possible to give the two answer in one question. It's
I know
available in mathematics.
because at the first time
Okay, no problem. No problem. Take a time. Okay, what is a, it is a function or not and why?
Yeah, it's a function because the the what this is the element A and B may have
Hmm.
may be this may have this may have the what they may appear.
Okay, you can follow the step by step. The first, every element of domain. So use every element of domain. But all the element of domain are usable. Okay, one, two, three are usable, and
Yeah.
they have a relation. On go another set in which is known as codomain and look at the one element one whose image whose pre-image only 5, two
Mm.
has the only pre-image is 7, and 3 is pre-image is 7. So every set has a single image pre-image.
Yeah.
Okay, not more. If you like a 1 is related with 5 and 1 is also related with 7, such type of relation is not a function. But every
Yes.
element has a single element related with a single element. So such a thing will known as. So here, look at the last figure. A is a
Yes.
name. Okay, this person
Yeah.
related with two. It is not possible. One person have a two name.
Yeah.
Similarly, the previous one who has a two image, pre-image. It's not possible. One is fine. One is 7. Is not a possible. And here, the one person studying in the two standard is not possible. So it is a not a function, and it is a function because every image have a single element. 7 has a 2 only image, 7 has a 3 only image, 5 is a only image. Remaining our Oman and Ankit both have a same image. It is not possible. This is the
Yeah.
definition of the function. Okay.
Yes.
Check here some standard example. Here I will give you simple thing. You have a two set. This such type of relation is not a function. Why? Remember, you have a two set. Then set X have a 5 element, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look at 1 is related with 2. So 2 is the image of 1. And 2 is related with 3. 3 is the image of 5. Sorry, 3 is the image of 2. But look at 3 and 4 are not related with any element of 5. So first thing, you use the every element of domain. Here 3 and 4 are not making relation. So it is not a function. The first reason why it is not a function, 3 and 4 are not usable. And the second
Yeah.
reason, it is not a function. What? Because of 5
Has no.
have a second. Here 3 and 4 are not used. So it is not a function, not a string. Not a function because the 5 is with the more than the element of 4. Okay. So 4, 5, 7 have only one image, that is 5, not possible. The any pre-image, that also not possible. Clear? This is the definition
Yeah.
of the function. Okay. Now the next step. Look at here. The first Venn diagram of the function is the first figure is a function here, not this one.
The first one is not function because
It is not a function
there
because
are two
one
elements
and
of
two not making a relation.
of the main. Yeah,
Similarly, the next the Venn diagram says it is a function here, not. It's not a function because I will give you reason.
because
So
so,
two have a
they have more
three.
than one
Two
image.
is related
Yeah,
A and two is related. It is a not a function. Okay. Similarly, this is a discussed above. The
yeah.
next
The
A
not
and B.
yeah.
Look at here. This is a function here, not
There is no function
not function. Reason the 4 is not
because
related with any element of B.
yeah,
It is not a function. And the second reason 1 is related with the more than one element of B. So for
yeah.
that it is not a function. And the last CD
It's not
is a
function.
function here, not
Not
not a function. Not very good. Okay, and understand what is a function and what is a not.
yeah. I understand.
So we move on to next definition. Do you have any problem related
No, I
with the
don't.
definition of the function? No. So
No.
move on to the next definition. There is a many example of the function. You can try. So this is a function and A and B is known as a domain and codomain. Okay, and function is written like this in order. Set. If someone asks, you have a figure like this. Look at. I think this is discussed.
Yeah, we discussed.
Yeah, we discussed. And okay, this is the range. This is the most important definition of your syllabus. So what is the range? For the range, you have a first of all function. The two Venn diagram satisfies all the condition of the function. Your first step. What is the first step? You have a function. If you have a no function, the given term is not a function, then you can't find the range. For the finding the range, you have a given term is in the function form. What is a function? You have a function like a and b. Look at the definition. If f of a tends to be is a function, then the set of all the images of element of set A is known as the range. That means I will give you an example and the range is denoted by function of domain. Okay? And the domain name is anything. You have a and B, sometimes they are writing CD, anything. So f of A, f of B depend on the Venn diagram and depend on the cluster. Here you have a two sets A and B. We discussed the A and B such that relation is a function. Okay.
Yes.
Now we just known about the range. So look at the diagram. 5 is related with the 7. Okay. We're making a one order pen. So here we write the 5 and 7. 6 and 8 also make a one order pair. So here we putting this both. 7 and 9 written like this and 8 and 10. 4 are not usable in any way. So no problem. Our definition says every element of set A. So all the elements of set are making the relation. So we need the B set. So what is the range? The collection of set B, which is related with A. Collection of set B, which is related with A, such a term is known as a, such a element is known as a range. Which element? That element of set B, which is related with A. That type of term, that type of element known as a range. 5 and 7, 6 and 8, 7 and 9, 8 and 10. So the collection of set B is known as a range. So how many elements of B are making a relation with A? 7, 9, 10 and 8. 7, 9, 10, 8 are the range. You can write in the ascending order, yeah, also. There is no any criteria to write in the set. Okay? So what is the
Yes.
range? the collection of set B, which is rated with A. You write the in range the collection of set B, nothing more. But that element which is making a relation with A. Look at the 4 is not making a relation with any element. So we can't write in the range. In the range, how number of elements, each element of the collection of B in set B is codomain. Right? The element of codomain which making a relation with domain. The collection of domain is known as a range. I will give you the example. Look at the next one. Here you have a set A and set B. A have a 1 to 4 element and B have a 1 to 10 element. 1 is rated with 3, 2 is 5, 3 is with 7 and 4 is a 9. But you want to write the range. So range is only the element of set B which is making a relation with A. So how which element they are making with A is 3, 5, it's a 3, 5, 7 and 9. So 3, 5, 7, 9 are belongs to in B. So 3, 5, 7, 9 is known as the range. Understand the range?
Yeah.
Understand what I am saying? What is the
Yeah.
range? Collection of
Range.
B.
Yeah.
Yes,
The correction of, yeah.
yes. Collection of set B which is related with A.
Yeah.
Do not put the value of 1 and 2 because 1 and 2 not making any relation with A. So this is the definition of the function. Look at here. First of all, you check that it is a function or not, and then what is the range of the given function.
Okay.
Okay, you can check it.
Yeah. The first one.
Yes, first one.
The first one is the function.
Yes, first one is a function, right?
Yeah. And the range of the first one is
Yes, first
x,
one is a function.
y. Yeah.
Yeah, right. The range of the term is
Is
x
x,
and y
x,
and
x,
y.
and y. Yeah.
Okay, it is not making any relation with A, so it is not in range. So range is the first function is x and y. Okay.
Yeah.
Now look at second figure. This is the function,
The second one is the function.
right? Is the function, then what is the range?
Range is x, y, and z.
Right. Then move on the third figure.
The third one is not function.
Right. If you have a no function, you can't find the range. Okay. So
Yeah.
give it.
Yes.
Okay. Range is not defined.
Mm. And the
Now the next number 4.
number four is not a function.
Right. Is a function not a function, so can't we find the range? Move on
Yeah.
the blue color. So the type of this one.
Mm,
It is a function.
it is a function.
Okay. Can you write this function in order pair?
In order pair, it's
Yes,
a
in order pair.
it's a negative
Yes.
3 comma negative 3 comma 2.
Okay, okay. Right, very good. Okay, it is a function. And what is the range?
Range is a negative 5, 0, 2, and 6.
Okay, very good. Right. Now, next, x and y set.
That is a function.
It's a function. Very good. And the range is a element of y. Okay.
Yeah.
And the last,
The last one is not function.
Okay, it's not a function, so we can't able to find the range. Now the next, okay, here you have a not a Venn diagram. You have a equation form. You have a order pair,
Yes.
and using this order pair, you can write the range. Are you able to write the range?
Yeah.
Yes. So what is the range of the first equation?
Mm, the
Take a
range of
time.
the
I have
first one
range of the
is
first
10.
one is what? Range
Is
is
10.
10. Okay.
Yeah.
Range of 1 is a 10. Very good. Second
The second one, the range is 4, 3, 4, and 2.
is the function or not?
Mm, wait a minute.
Okay. So take a time. You have a two Venn diagram. We put
Yeah.
some elements 5, 6, 7, and 8. And here 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make a relation first of all. 5 is related with 4. So 5 and
Yeah.
4. 6 and 3, 6 and 3, and 7 and 4, 7 and 4, and 8 and 2, 8 and 2.
Yeah.
So now it is a Venn diagram.
Yeah.
Is a function or not?
It's a function.
So what is the range?
The range is 4,
Hmm.
3,
Then
and 2.
okay, 4, 3, 2. You can write in ascending in rows. Okay, you can write 4, 3, 2 like this. Yeah. Also you can write in the 2, 3, and 4. It's a good manner to write. Yeah, otherwise you
Yeah.
can write. There is no problem. And the last
Okay.
question. This is a function. If it is, then find range.
Mm, the last one is mm, it's the function.
Right? It's a function and the range is
The range is 7, 9, 11, and 13.
okay. It's very good. Now the example. If you have a figure, then it is easy to find the range. Okay, but every time they are not asking the type of question. This is only 1 mark question. And every time this it's not possible, they are asking the using the Venn diagram, they are using such of term and find the range. They are asking like this question. They are giving the two sets A and B, and how can we find the function like this? Look at it.
Yeah.
Okay, I will count you. One sec. So A has a how many elements? 3, 4, and 5.
There are 3, 4, 3, 4, and 5.
And B have a like
Yeah.
this element 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a fun example, so I will show you in front of you. And otherwise, I
Yeah.
just tell you how can you solve it.
Yeah.
So 3, 4, 5,
5,
6, 7,
6, 7.
8, and 9. And the function is given like this,
Yeah.
and function is defined from A to B. Function is A to B. Okay, and the function is given like f of x y and y is equal to x plus 1. The function is like this. The type of function in the order pair x y, and the y is equal to the x plus 1. Then you can find the value of x and find range. Okay, so the question. Now, so like look at how can we solve this.
So,
Every question, okay. You, you know,
yeah, I can try.
Okay, yes, you can try. There is no problem.
Yeah, we make we make first the table value of set A.
Yes.
Then we put yeah then we put the values
Mm.
of the values to the equation so that the each element will put at the we will give them the value of x. So instead of putting x, you put each value we pass it by one.
Right. Very good. Very good.
Yeah,
Okay. Right. We always take the value of x from domain, and the domain is a 3, 4, and 5. Okay.
yeah,
Create the range, and range always is in B. If the range is not in B, that is a not a function. But here they told us it is a function. Okay? So all the condition will be satisfied. The function is like a this one. If you take a value of any x and you make a y like x plus 1. First of all, take the value of x in a. The first value of x is 3 and putting it a y. Y, what is the y?
but
Y is equal to x plus
before
1.
x plus one.
So x here is 3, so y is 4. Okay?
Yeah,
Second, x is what? Second element of set A is 4. Putting here again, 4 plus 1, it's 5. And the last element of the set A is a 5. Putting here,
and
5
six,
plus 1 is a 6.
six.
So first we have a domain is what?
It's four. Look,
Now what is the domain? Domain of the set A. Because our
the
function is A to B, so our domain is a 3, 4 and
three,
5.
five.
Okay, and the codomain is what?
The codomain is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8,
Right.
9.
Is a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, and the
Yeah,
function, you can write the function in order pair. Okay, also. So is what? F of x, y. First value of x, second value of y. X is 3, then y is what? 4.
4,
So first order pair is the 3 and 4. Second, x is 4. That time
4,
y is 5.
5,
And the last order pair is what?
5, and 6.
Okay, 5 and 6. And the what is the range?
The range is 4, 5, 6.
Okay, this is the range. Understand?
Yeah,
And range is always a subset of codomain. Remember the 1 mark question?
yeah,
Range is subset of codomain. Okay.
yeah.
Element of 1, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6 is the range. It's subset of codomain. Do you know what is the definition of the subset? If every element of set belongs to this one. Like the
Yeah.
4, 5, 6 are lies in the second set. So this one is a subset of this one. So sometimes they will ask what is a range is a subset of codomain or not. So definitely range is a subset of codomain because we every time find the value of range is always from the codomain. If a codomain is not given proper, so how can we find the range? So this is the example. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. This is the right here. Understand?
Yeah.
Are able to see now?
Yeah.
The next. Now, this example, same function n to n and function is given n plus 3. Here we find the value of range. So what do we do? N is the
First,
set of natural number and n has
yeah.
a 1 to infinite number. Putting the one by one value and get the function.
Then
Okay.
we
And the
take,
function is n plus 3. So
yeah.
we take x, first element is 1 and putting the
Yeah.
function
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
we get the 1 and 4, 2 and 5 in making the order pair and that's the value of range. And range is a subset of column. Understand this one? Same type
Yeah.
of question, but just don't change in the set. And the function also change. Are you able to count?
Yeah.
Uh, So yours?
Yeah.
This is
The
also the next example. Look at two
yes.
function n to z and have a
Yeah.
positive element and z have a positive negative and 0. And the function defined like a x minus 3. Always x take in the domain. So putting
Yeah.
the value of x using the domain only. And putting the one by one value of the x in function, you get the new number. And that number is your range. Is the set as number of infinite terms. So here we write the domain, codomain, order pair, and range. All are in the infinite sequence. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, understand this example?
Yeah. I understood.
This is similarly same question. Okay, try yourself. For
Okay.
you, you can solve these two examples and give their range. What is the range of? Okay, try it.
There. Okay. Mm,
If you have any problem to solve, then tell me.
should I solve it now?
If you have any problem to solving this equation, then tell me, okay?
Yeah.
Are you able to find the range? Yeah, I will give you more example.
Yeah. I'm able to find.
Okay, so solve this 1 and 2.
Okay.
What is the range? Okay.
Okay.
Five minutes enough for this question?
Yeah, yeah,
5 minutes is enough. Okay.
yeah. Mom, sorry.
Yes.
For for the second question, we use the
Yes.
same we use the same domain.
Okay.
I say I say that for the second question, we use the same domain in question number one.
Question 1. A to R. R is a set of real number.
No, I say the question two.
Question 2. N to W. W is a set of whole number.
Oh, oh, from
Okay.
I got
Yes.
confusion.
Yes.
Where we have no, you have not given, I'm not given here the what,
Okay.
the
Okay.
domain
Okay.
n.
Look at. The question number 2. Okay. Look at here.
Hmm?
Look at the first question. Okay, you have a two set in an array element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tends to infinite. Okay,
Yeah,
and W have a elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 tends to infinite. And a function is defined from n to W. Okay, and the function is looking like a x minus 1. Okay,
yeah,
so answer is always take the values of x from the domain, and the domain set is n. So n we
yeah,
taken from the n. Okay, n is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Always put the value of x, taking the value of x from the domain set, and the domain is always first set is the domain. So taking the value of x from the domain. So taking the x is 1. So x is 1. So function become putting x is equal to 1 in function. 1 minus 1 is a 0. Okay.
yeah, yes,
Second element x from the n. So f of 2 will be
one.
2 minus 1. It's a 1.
Mm,
And go on. I will just write three element only. Okay. F
Yeah.
of 3 and 3 minus 1. It's a 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Right in the order pair. This is domain. Domain is the n. Domain set is the n. Codomain is what? It's W.
Yeah.
And order pair is 1 and 0. The
One,
first order pair.
zero. Yeah.
2 and 1. 3 and
Red
2.
two.
You can write another order pair. Next to.
Yeah.
What is the next to
That's what
order pair?
it's three,
After
five.
3 and
It's
2.
over. Three and two. No, it's over.
Then look at the relation 1 and 0, 2 and 1, 3 and 2. So it
One.
will be 4 and 3. Okay.
Yeah.
If you take x is equal to 4,
Yeah. Yeah.
then
Yeah.
f of 4. It's a 4 minus 4. Always remaining 1. 1 subtract from the each element. So it will be 3. So 4 and 3. And another is, next is,
Is will be five,
yes, and remove
four.
1,
With four.
5 and 4. And the next one,
Will be 6, 5.
then 6 and 5. Okay. One by
Yeah.
one like this. So it is your order pair. And the range is
The range is
0. The second
zero.
element.
Yeah.
1,
One,
2, 3,
two.
4 and range. Lecture માં છો કેડી? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Here 4, 5 and so on. This is your range. And this is a which set is range indicates some special set. The element 0, 1, 2, 4, 5 is a from the W. So range is your W here. Clear?
Yeah.
Ibrahim, you have a problem, then tell me. Don't worry.
Yeah. No, I don't have problem.
Understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Okay, I will take another example. If you want to write, then write it. Otherwise, we move on the next person.
Yeah, just move on.
Okay, move on. Look at the first question. So its range is what? Second question have a range 0,
The
1,
first one.
2, 3, up to. That means it is a W. Okay. Now, which person are not able to solve it?
Yeah,
First one,
the first one I finished.
finish. So, what is the range?
The range of the first one is 5,
5,
0,
0,
-8,
-8,
-5, 11.
-5, and 11. Positive.
Yeah.
So, what are you doing for this? What you can do for the range? You're putting the value of x. You take the value of x from the set A. Okay.
Yeah.
And the first value of x is 1. Abraham, you can make some mistake. Look at What is the set A?
Set A,
Hmm.
it has
Add
4,
1, 0, minus 3, minus 2, and 5.
yeah,
1, 0, minus 2, minus 3, and 5. Okay, and the function from A to R. And the function defined like this: f of x is equal to 3x plus 1.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, this function. It's your domain and it's your codomain. Now answer. Always take the value of x from the domain. Okay, well,
Yeah.
putting the value of x from the domain, and domain set is A. So x from we taking the domain. So take the different value of domain. X is equal to, first to take the 1 because 1 is a member of A. Putting in the function f of 1. So 3 into 1 plus 1. 3 into 1 is a 3 plus 1. It's a 4.
And 4, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
The
I remember.
second value is 0. So x is equal to 0. Put in the function f of 0. 3 into 0 plus 1. So any number multiply with the 0. It's a 0. So 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. The next x is equal to minus 2. It is a finite set, so you put all the value. If it is infinite set, then we decide this, taking the infinite sequence. So f is equal to minus 2, putting in the function in front of x. 3 into minus 2 plus 1. Now what is happened? 3 into minus 2?
It's negative 5.
Minus 6 plus 1. It's a minus 5. And the x is equal to minus 3. Put here f is minus 3. Then happen 3 into minus 3 plus 1. So minus 3 into 3 minus 9 plus 1. It's a minus 8. And the last x is equal to 5. So f of 5 will be 3 into 5 plus 1. 15
15.
plus 1 and
Yeah,
60. Okay.
yeah, I've seen the
Add
mistake.
in the order there. F is what? First of all, write the domain. Domain is A. Okay. And the A have element the 1, 0, minus 2, minus 3 and 5. And codomain is R. So I need not write the value of R. R have a positive, negative, rational, irrational wala. Order pair. F make a order pair. What is the order pair of F?
It's
Okay, 1 and 4.
9, 4.
First order pair 1 and 4.
Yeah,
Second order pair 0, 1, minus 2 and minus 5, minus 3 and minus 8, and 5 and 16. Okay, a
yeah.
curly bracket over. And what is the range?
The range is
So
4,
4,
1,
1,
negative 5,
minus.
negative 8, 16.
So it is the answer of the first question.
Yeah.
You write this one.
No, I did some mistake.
Okay, no problem. But now you understand now what
Yeah, yeah.
okay, then okay. So you can give the answer of the four, the last answer. But in homework, but four you can find the range here. Only
Mm.
3 minutes you have it because you have a three elements only.
Okay.
Always value of x taking from domain.
Yeah.
Okay? Always you take the value of x from the domain.
Okay.
Never forget. We will meet after 1 week. You recall this last lecture?
Okay.
No, you remember, you look, recall or not? You see the second time, revise yourself or not? Okay, Abraham. Good. Are you doing?
Yeah.
Are you doing this one?
Yeah. Finish.
What is the range?
The range of goals. The first one
What?
was the element one
What is
was
the
13.
13? What?
13.
Again. 13.
Set.
1, 3.
Yeah. 1 3.
Okay. Second,
Second was 21.
20.
1 2 1.
Oh, 2, 1. Then,
The last one was 3.
last, 1 second, Ibrahim. I have made some mistake in the printing. Okay. This is your right answer, but here the function is wrong. Here just a single function, not a x plus 3. Then it is happen, otherwise not happen. Because just a change in the cluster,
Okay.
their function is x plus 3 only, not a 2x plus 3. Because the value of the range is not belongs to codomain.
Yeah.
Okay. So write again, sorry for my mistake. Always remember, range is a subset of B. Range is always the subset of codomain. So you have a value of range is always in codomain. The value of range is always the member of codomain. To get the answer, then tell me.
Okay.
What is the answer?
The answer is
I change the
mm,
function.
yeah.
Hmm.
It's H 11 and 3.
8.
It's H
Hmm.
11
Okay.
and 3.
Right. There is also some mistake I can do. Okay, there is
Yes.
no problem. 9 plus 30, 9 plus 3 is a 12.
Yeah.
1 second. 1 second, 1 second, Ibrahim. You are right. But I make some mistake to write a
Um.
person. Yeah. Now you are right. Answer is right.
um,
Your addition is right. Don't don't make sure just because of my question is wrong, then not make your question is also wrong. Okay, this is a
yeah.
12, not a 11 because 9 plus 3 is a 12. So your range is first 5 plus 3 is 8, second 9 plus 3 is a 12, and the 0 plus 3 is a 3. It's your range. 8, 12,
Yeah.
and 3, and 8, 12, 3 is a subset of B. So range is a subset of B. Okay?
Okay.
There is a my mistake and why I understand I know. Okay, clear?
Yeah. Clear.
Understand what is the range?
Yeah. I understand.
This is okay. This is the last question for you. So decide the range. Only
Mm,
the all pair,
okay.
but the remaining it is a function or not, and then you decide the range.
Okay. Okay.
Can I do the Venn diagram for the first person?
Let me try.
Okay, very good.
For the first one, it's a function,
Okay,
and
right.
the domain are 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14, and 17, and the
Very
range
good.
is 1. The range is 1.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very impressive. The second one is
Let me finish.
mm,
The the second one is a
mm,
function, and
okay.
the domain are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. Those are
Right.
domain. Range are
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Very good. The last one is
And the last one is the last one is not function.
right. It's not a function, so are you not able to find the range?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yes.
we complete the range. Next
Yeah.
session we studying about the interval. Today we will stop.
Okay.